Join us for an extraordinary series of 5 live workshops that will revolutionize your approach to client care. Discover how to leverage the potential of inner and outer technology through practical sessions and expert guidance. Explore the realms of meditation and coherence, unlock the intelligence within, and learn how to utilize cutting-edge healthcare tools and devices. Gain the skills to skillfully integrate these worlds, creating a hybrid business that harnesses the synergy between inner growth and modern technology. Adding HeartMath's Inner Balance app and Bluetooth sensor into your practice by John White. For over 30 years, HeartMath has specialized in creating practical evidence-based techniques and heart rate variability technologies to help people develop emotional management skills to reduce stress and create health and well-being. Learn the techniques for creating the optimal state of coherence and how HeartMath's Inner Balance app and sensor can help you and your clients develop self-regulation skills quickly and effectively. Achieving Balance with Quantum Evaluation by Alexis Retta. Discover a comprehensive evaluation protocol rooted in Taoist medicinal principles, empowering you to assess the current health state of your clients and provide personalized healing methods. Unlocking the Power of Virtual Care by Kalina Henning. Design impactful virtual programs aligned with your expertise and the needs of your target audience. Craft signature virtual care programs using the Exponential Healthcare platform that showcase your unique approach and set you apart in the field. Building a Hybrid Practice, Integrating Soft Technologies and Vacuum Engineering by Dr. Paul Druin. Explore the concept of a hybrid practice, combining soft technologies and vacuum engineering for enhanced client care. Learn how to implement innovative approaches such as consciousness acupuncture, enhanced homeopathy, and pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, and more, to elevate your practice and offer comprehensive services that cater to the evolving needs of clients. Unlocking the Potential of Holistic Health, a BrainTap workshop for health tech clinics. Join Dr. Porter, an industry-leading expert in neuroscience and biohacking, for an exclusive workshop that bridges the gap between health tech and holistic wellness. This workshop aims to empower clinicians, therapists, and health tech enthusiasts to integrate BrainTap's pioneering technology into their practice. Don't miss this opportunity to learn from our experts and gain valuable insights that can help shape your academic and professional journey.